Simba politically was strong until ya joined Ruto. Naningiro statement was very strong in Kisii until kila jitiko dekera William Ruto agatantana. Nobu kolekanu bwa bwa chakirite gago. Gusia manyirenga ne strongly ya baba Raila Odinga.
Ndio.
Bainkoigwira Simba buna gukwana. Until buna jitiko tangana ki ngochire go kama se William Ruto. Abana inchi bali bamwete kura. Bakachaka ko reject ko rebel. Simba tabwa montai what the problem with him lakini ese njaba abantu baitabirenge kirogo ntundu matiangitari komyoka nere kirogo kyo governor. Matiangitari komyoka nere kirogo ye county. Matiangitari kirogo akorigi ne yense. Ngyo tete koba ebe stumbling block ko tete ko block matiangi mbaka goswa stadium umate bune stadium mweliri bago chabona United opposition. On several times to uri condition chiko beko ngistamo dimweligi anto mbali go sororo. Bunyansi mbwasi megetu. Si yo to tenkero na banyansi mbo bosimekire in a way you stop matiangita basoso atomeke stadium. We are taxpayers. Kwa matiangiri bagamba ko chikwe obosoko then yabana inji bakamu ati atoigore stadium to sororo. Akaba shamed. Kiro monta kamya kumbe kwengo sikire brother yao. Batari kiro kokemo. Simba na boli bugava bwae a convince abantu bamwe chikura kivyake. Na matiangino bo president yakuri. Erta hota kura yaneti kwa matiangi lakini njetigamo tigakore bintu byae. Simba as that. Egere o abantu democratically bamwe kiongozi batagete noyo at this level. Noyo tutagete at this level. That arrangement. 3. I saw Simba ratina around jitigende gegekoro kunga mabere. Eva ECD.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something if I was Simba's advisor. This is not a project. It is sustainable. Karate banga is not sustainable. Na beko nyalakana ngango
korera kini asa matuka mange.
Teligo chikogendera. Because na beko nyalakana government ngaesoe. This idea that is sustainable because the source ego sustain this process in area.
Why are you saying that it is sustainable?
And that very sustainable nekega. Allocation stobwate na kulingana na budgeting ego koru. Ebintu mbira bana siasa bakora politically. Nebintu mbira anchored ya selo. Wantegereire. Biribira politically ebikoko konya for your survival. Wantegereire. Kitariendo kelingo gochoche kogendere bune governor ego. So na be governor ngara so ate bengana kigende kenkeli not a good idea. Lakini amagana kwagache classroom kego konya bana bako chigocha na bali bako iburu. Koliko mwalimu egasyo ECD is something kere sustainable because inkere anchored as a policy as a law. Amagana ya mabere no entertain abantu for political gain. Nande omwana ECD Bible mbara complaining ambako nyara koruma bere na ndagira korunyomba umwana guchirika.
So Mheshimiwa Enduruche, you want to say you want to go really swali get indirect link under which kiti wana mabera yale.
That's the question. Lakini asa mwana korosi class ge county na kuliko mwalimu ECD it is given in the law.
So are you against or you for?
If I was his advisor na bwana cha kalirita ngani. That is not the approach I could have taken. Because if I'm the governor today, I will scrap that thing out. Okay. I consider you as a chief virus. Na ni tuwa sababu alimu.
Video njire tuwa roji chiskuru gete chie virus biyomo gete sana. ECD for real. No, we saw a picture from Nyamira County. A certain place from Kitutu Masaba.
Yeah.
The situation was bad.
Nkukuboli mayaka.
Yes.
Usiga iga kwegura nonyine research wakore kwegura abantu badanga tubwate njara y'abana bakonde school bararanjara bacandika babwate ngambara nyuma bere usichaye. Have you had that thing? Because okorete solution ekero with a crisis. Ndobate crisis kinjara ga gusi.
Moina to kanyutima de research yakora tu akaya manja tu.
But you see, Moi was entertaining us.
Yeah, that was the
But we enjoyed supplement.
You know what? By then what no wonder kuna mabera yes ile tubuna rueto.
Into complaining asiri. We complain
because Moi was not there. So to some extent
the class kevenge mbrango tuerime.
So is like
in news kwanza inwa bantu bani smoko minyoka mwate banga mwanga sie classic.
Yeah. So nabenga nkoboliri boli about igoro yoko nago abaseba na siasa bangi nkurubali okosera bali okosera abantu until now bakosera abantu. So ekenege ntoke kokonyo muntu politically.
Yeah, for political gain. So mabera ina bonya roje the same way. Tiangote iwango kwani ngende ikere important. Ikere genda muranga. Amini aso yone na kyakoro koyega romatangi.
No irungu kangata.
No irungu kangata. abande mpaka no charity ngiro na begete industry ya textile
Yeah.
alisobo ekintu gitukubika na omugava no nde na hasomo ya
Yeah.
ama tabana abantu bali kirega sigaga e project iko konya
Ni chibesa chi account chi cheta.
Yeah.
yes
Create employment.
go create employment
Igente kana boge kweran.
yeah
But I think
Na roche project ngabune I think Migori yamanyabua.
yeah
ege ibinte bya avocado bya kwani rwanga.
Yeah.
Bya avocado bya kwani rwanga ibya.
why can't you again the kili talk to nyore bisuguti tutwa industry ye bisuguti biri biye ngo koruchi campaign wono biye birunga funika abana nchi gagu ECD y'abantu banyora amabere those are politics.
I think we need more time, eh?
Aso wenge kwadra Nyamira tege. Yeah.
Is only Nyamira.
Kwana yatege ogya.
Is only Nyamira to discuss ya mangana yo korosia mochari. The governor go discuss ya mangana ya mochari. Even to be so serious is ko government to take address as governors. I think many people wako nyore biroge bigatara understand. No into aba kichikura. To waka chikura out of feelings, of excitements. We need leaders. Babuat bano ngainkurusio bango bolibo irungu kangata boje Kisii. Buna tubate potential and resources.
Yeah, sure.
Aro muntu buna utume yali toke liboronge ko convert. It's about an individual. Elite governor is too big. Lakini muntu rokire elite governor is too small. You know? So that's why I'm going to key. Hey, down you too small. Get proper advisors. Bako guiding this and be flexible to understand.
So what do you want to say, or what are you saying?
I'm saying there's a problem in Kisii County. That's what you're asking me about.
He asked you about
There
Nyamira.
is a governance gap. Neringo tuwana mpaka Nyamira. Kusi.
So tolera
Eke
ngeye.
mtoko jago discuss ya mangana ya mortuary. To what the serious priorities. Are you wishing people to die by the mortuary executive? Nyuma montatara kutokura mweka peta life. Annual education erengia.
Kodera nigore emebere ya rwali. Kodera nigore emebere ya rwali Nyamira togenda jinsa cha.
And you see that's the same thing to kwana about you governor ngwe distance about it. Igore emebere yo. Lakini mate emebere ya chite ko yekwanira ekero ya very buried.
Yeah.
Nkiata ngo issue statement before emebere ye ruga to understand what is taking place.
So you blame the governor?
Governor, everything rests as a governor. Kero to kwana about the counties the governor.
Contract gatebe me kwende me 13
Yeah.
gachiga toke that.
Geri 33. Nada jabatenge ya Nyamira enganaiga. Before tabe enganaiga ngwengo to tabe gende getaraji kumanyikana na media jiko reveal those things. There is a leadership gap in Kisii and Nyamira.
Inere teko ya nenga elieta ndiriko meki umuntu yakolegazi umuntu imuntu
Ki.
Yeah.
Ono muntu isane korokwe governor ni rungu kangata. I can mention mbawe ka governor chile serious around 5.
Ora get point something.
Digeri the way inde ndongenda to digeri Kiambu. Nkwaro chekero rutale Kiambu. Ago introduce governor Kimani wa Matangi.
Tangi.
Ria mention tiga yani korumo chakano vigeregere talinga singe njoba iri handouts. What he has done as a ground guy. Inere korumo now people centered leadership. Ega ya itoga gane liyo kubetani ngabaligeli njira moko babanga mobasere 500 elibu management into move na county.
We need more time mheshimiwa. We need more time.